Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using masking tapes that just don't deliver sharp paint lines? I've got the solution for you, and it's the 3M Vinyl Tape 471 Plus, a total game changer in the world of masking tapes. This top-rated tape is designed for fine line and critical paint masking, and trust me, it does not disappoint. With its semi-translucent indigo backing, you get some visual clarity for alignment during application, making it a breeze to get those perfect lines. One of the things that really sets this tape apart is its unique stretch properties, which enable it to conform to uneven surfaces without lifting, thus avoiding paint bleed. You'll also love the quick stick rubber adhesive, which provides excellent holding strength on most surfaces, giving you a sense of security that your paint job will turn out perfectly. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. It's a high-temperature paint masking tape that can handle even the most complex jobs, including paint applications that feature detailed designs or curves. When you're working with this tape, you'll notice how easily it stretches and conforms to the surface, and the sound of the tape unwinding from the roll is smooth and consistent. I've used this tape on a few projects now, and I can honestly say it's been a lifesaver. The results are always sharp, clean lines that make my paint jobs look professional. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a DIY enthusiast, the 3M Vinyl Tape 471 Plus is definitely worth checking out. It's easy to use, efficient, and produces amazing results, making it a must-have for anyone looking to take their paint jobs to the next level. So why not give it a try and see the difference for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.